Hello everyone. In this part of the video, I will give some question answers for class 8 students from chapter number 3, that is migration. So let us start with our first question. What is migration? Answered. It is the movement by people from one place to another with the intention of settling permanently in the new location. Next, what are the three types of migration? Answered. The three types of migration are forced, reluctant, and voluntary. Number 3 question. Mention the 5 destination countries and 5 countries of origin of migrants. Answer. The 5 destination countries are UK, USA, Spain, Germany, Canada. 5 countries of origin are Mexico, India, China, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Next, what is brain drain? Answered. It is the immigration of highly skilled or well educated individuals from one country to another country, causing a drain of skilled workforce in the country of origin. Example, the major destinations for Indians in the EU, that is European Union, in the beginning of the century. Next, what are the steps are being undertaken by the Indian government to prevent brain drain? Answer. The increasing trend of brain drain of the skilled workers finally persuaded the government to take action. After witnessing a high brain drain of doctors, among 3,000 medical students went abroad in last 3 years, none returned. So, the health ministry has suspended issuing no obligation certificate to the medical students going abroad for higher studies. Next, we will do some differentiate question answers. First one, reluctant migration and forced migration. So, in reluctant migration, you are going to write is, it is a form of migration in which individuals are not forced to move but to do so because of an unfavorable conditions at their current location. And in the forced migration, you will write, it is a negative form of migration often caused by exploitation. The largest devastating forced migration in the human history was African slave trade. Next, differentiate between forced migration and voluntary migration. So, in the forced migration, the same thing you will write. It is a negative form of migration often caused by exploitation. The largest devastating forced migration in human history was the African slave trade. And in voluntary migration, you will write, it is the migration based on one's free will and initiative. People move for a variety of reasons and it involves weighing options and choices. Next, immigrant and immigrant. So, in immigrant, you will write, the people who come to live in another country are called immigrants. And in immigrant, you will write, the people who move out of a country are called immigrants. Next, differentiate between push factors and pull factors. So, in push factors, you are going to write all these points: not enough jobs, desertification, slavery, poor medical care, loss of wealth, natural disaster, death rates, etc. And in pull factors, you will write job opportunities, better living conditions, political and religious freedom, enjoyment, education, better medical care, attractive climate, security, all these points. Last, differentiate between host country and country of origin. So, in the host country, we will write host countries are UK, USA, Spain, Germany, Canada. You can add more points also. And in countries of origin, you will write China, India, Mexico, Pakistan, Bangladesh. So, these are all the question answers from chapter number 3.